What's up, everybody? Hey, you already know, I've been dropping videos in this shirt because I was dropping a bunch of videos today. But here's the question people have been asking is how to make money on OnlyFans. I'm going to break it down quick, simple, and easy. So write it down. Do not spend too much time, but I'm going to give you the juice right now. And please make sure you subscribe to my page. You give me a thumbs up because I need you to watch this whole video so that you don't knock down my algorithm, although the video is going to be short. So please finish to the end and make sure you put a thumbs up in the comment so I can compete versus all these false accusations of information they're giving you out here. And we can make sure the good information goes through so the people who really want it and want to grow, you have the opportunity to. So let's go. It's your boy Marketing with Dom. So the how to make money with OnlyFans. First of all, the first deciding factor, no matter what you're doing, is what you're going to sell. No matter what. People say you can do adult content, you can do this content, you can do lingerie, you can sell courses. People have all different ways. But how to make money on OnlyFans, the first question you have to figure out is what am I going to sell? Okay? That's what you have to figure out because that is what gives you the opportunity to figure out how you're going to make money, where you're going to sell it, how you're going to sell it. That's the number one answer. Don't go breaking out of your morals because you're like, I want to make a bunch of money, I want to do everything. Do what you feel comfortable with and stick to that and murk it, okay? How to make money the fastest way. So I have other videos, probably going to put a little card up here above, that go more in depth to what you could do on here. But here, this is what I do. I have a two-platform prong, free and paid. Why? Because no one knows you if you're just getting started. You're not a brand. No one's just going to come pay for you out of nowhere. They don't know who you are. If you only have like 500 fans, you don't have a brand yet. What you can do is you can warm people up and become a customer service person, giving them what they want. A lot of this OnlyFans platform, if you're a girl, you are being a secondary girlfriend / person. It's not about all the sexual as much as you think it is about the conversation. So you understand that. Secondly, guys, as well, it's all about the conversation, the dialogue, the fantasy, the creation. It's the interaction that you really have to understand makes the most money on OnlyFans. Some girls, yeah, blow up. Everybody wants to see their butt. They have 1 million followers already, but whatever. Those girls don't even need to be on this video. They probably already know what to do. They probably know how to make money on OnlyFans, and a lot of them are making less money because it was overhyped, overrated, and people are going to go to other platforms. Period. Second, so what I do is I do a free to a paid. I take a free account, I set it all up. I take a paid account, I set it all up. I connect them. They're connected. I always promote my free account. I always promote the free account because right when they get into the free account, they get sent a welcome message. The welcome message promotes the paid account. Listen, people who are going to pay will always end up paying. People who weren't into paying will never end up just paying. So the reason what the free account does is allows you to capture that customer. Capture that customer allows you to continue marketing to that person. It makes everything you do in this industry when you spend money on promos and promotions worth it because you get to keep selling this person to what they want. And then they get more and more and more and more. And everyone makes more money, right? If 1 month they're gone and they come back another month, if you just have a paid platform, they're gone and they never come back and you can never message them again. They're not just going to be like, oh, well, let me randomly think about this one person on OnlyFans that I thought about. And if you're one of those people who are like, well, then I don't want them. Well, good for you. That's cool. Do your thing. But that's not the ones I work with. The ones I want to actually provide customer service and really kill it. So that's the fastest way to do it. You set the two platforms up. One, you have a higher price. Never go up. Always go down. Okay, so start high. If you think you're bad, you're like, I got this. Content's going to be fire. It's going to be the best. Start at like $25 plus and give the initial first month lower. And then give amenities and things and presents for people who turn on their subscription. You got to work the game. Got to work the game, right? Those are quick little tips. I didn't even know I was going to drop content like that, but I dropped it. So make sure you put that thumbs up. Please do. I say it a lot because it's really hard to get people to do thumbs up. Like, I swear. Like, you're going to hear me say it like 1,000 times and you don't thumb up my video still. It's like, come on, man. Appreciate your boy. But I'm sweating for you in this hot room right now. You know what I'm saying? So, let's break that down. So, those two platforms do it. Pricing, I have that all on my course too. I have other videos that talk about pricing and setting that up and the best prices. And you can find that information everywhere else. But those are the fastest way to grow. The fastest way to grow is right now. You ready? I'm about to give it to you. You're 4 minutes in. If you're watching this video, you better after I show you this, crush it, okay? And join my course and get started ASAP at Tano. Here's the thing that they're not telling you about how to make money on OnlyFans. There's an elitist group. It's not a conspiracy. I've been in the elitist group for a year now. And I know it's an elitist group because they don't just tell everybody. And it's a good reason why, because people come in and ruin it. So people don't ruin it. I train on it and show you how to do it to get in there and make sure that I don't destroy the platform, which is working very well. There's a network, and I'm going to show you this network, right? I'm going to show you, so it's not like, oh my God, there's no. So if you're in Telegram, you're already killing it. You're like, I know what Shout Out for Shout Out group is. I know that stuff. I'm in a group. I'm going to tell you you're in a small group. There's There's an ocean pool out there where you can go fishing. Okay? Let me show you the fish. Let's show you the fish. Let's fish out. Bam. So we're fishing now. Bam. You see this? This is my platform. I have my own that I use with the members that we're popping in here to make sure that we help train you on your way out. But look at all these platforms. I'm talking about the 1% is here. The 2,000 pluses are here. The top networks, 3,000 fans, 1,000 fans. The you know what I mean? Like everybody's out here, 4,000 paid, 500 plus paid. You know what I'm saying? 1,000, 2,000 drops. It's insane, right? And you don't even know about this. This is where everybody's really making their money. This is where girls come in, guys come in, couples come in, and they destroy it. I've been building out these segments and getting in these groups and collecting and doing the best to create the best course to really teach you how to actually do it. But everyone's like, oh, $25 is too much. And I used to charge $100, and I went down to $25 because I thought that'd be appropriate. If you don't think it's worth it, do not join my course. I don't need you to join it. I need the people who want to make money, who want to grow, who want to take the opportunity, because they're the only ones that are going to honestly take advantage of it. So please be a doer. Or don't do it with me. All right, so break it down. I appreciate everyone for being in the video. The Telegram group is there. You can click down below, join my fast track program, hop in the Telegram group, start getting promotions, start buying into that group. The $25 is for the information on how to do it, just to let you know, and how I market on social media and getting more and more information on my coaching every month. That's what it's for. I don't go do all the marketing for you. That's where my clients are for. You can apply to be a model with my team. The link's down below as well. Once you click on them, it will say apply to be a model. Cool. So I appreciate everyone. Please make sure you comment down below. Please make sure you subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It really helps me out. Thumbs up and everything else. And I'll see you on the other side. Till next time, deuces. Marco and Dom here.